Hello, beautiful ladies. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I painted these nails with just a pen, with just any pen color and a colorless nail polisher. I'm going to be using this nail polisher, which is colorless, and a red pen, as you see. Don't mind my nails. I have some henna stains on it. You know that it's more difficult to remove henna stains from the nails. You know that it glows with the nails. That's very sadistic, but hope you will enjoy my video. Overall, I'm going to wash my nails and clean them very well. As you can see, it's not very dirty, but I want them to be well cleaned. I'm going to apply the polisher on my nails. I'm gonna be kneading, okay, like this. Yeah, I'm gonna use the polisher first. Before applying this one, I had to first. I just finished chopping them and making them look well, even though it's not the biggest nail or the tall one. And for the sake of my house, I don't want to stain it. That's why I'm going to use this paper. Okay. Oh God. Oh God. Look here. Take a look. And I'm gonna be taking the ink from this paper and apply it on my nails like this. Oh shit. And here you see that I have to be more careful. Careful. Oh my God. I'm not even. Ooh, I'm not even able to breathe or speak. This is the big one. After painting them, okay, let me get this one. It's fine and it looks good. Ladies, I'm going to wet it dry and add. God, look at what I've got. Look at the pen. This is how it is. And the blush, I don't know what it's called. I was using. Look at it. Okay, I'm just going to put it away and bleach my nail polisher. I'm going to add a nail polisher at the surface. I've just waited for 2 minutes for it to to dry, and I'll be doing my next finger. Okay. Ooh, how do I open? Okay, like this. What's going on here? Okay. I'm adding the polisher on the surface. To be amazing. And remember that it was oh shit, what did I do? Oh shit, what is this? My God, I do. Let me add another color here. And I really don't know what I was thinking, doing half a nail, but I wanted it half. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Let me just proceed with my nails. I'm going to add the polisher. Ooh, I betrayed myself, I think, but no problem. I just need my nails to be done, and that's it. I don't want it to be looking horrible with this henna stay. How, I don't know how lazy I am to not try to deal with my mistake, but it's fine. You see that it's looking good, even though that it's not, it does not resemble with others, but it's look good. Let's look at the final results. Ooh, it's pretty cool, but I hate this one, the long one. But oh, my stubbornness is so much, being so much. But at least I've tried, I've got what I want. I think that at this time I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go, girls, from my pain and my nail pressure. If you also don't have money to go to the nail stylist, or you have no time, or so many issues that's going on, and with this pandemic, I think that you can help yourself. Okay, girls. Okay, now I'm good to go. If you like my videos, let me know, and comment in the comment section below. Like and share my videos, and I'll be back. If you have any suggestion of what I will be doing, or what you want me to do in the next videos, let me know also in the comment section below. And I think that I'm gonna be late. Without lying, I'm going to be late. But remember to be safe. Love you. I love you, girls. Bye.